Welcome to the React Maps tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to add legends to the Syncfusion React Maps component. Look at this example, a world map displaying COVID statistics for each country with severity levels. These severity levels are depicted at the bottom of the map as a legend. Now let's start by adding code to add legends to React Maps. First, I'll open an existing application where I have already added the React Maps component with basic properties. I have included a GeoJSON shape of the world map in the Maps layer. I have bound COVID statistics data with an appropriate title. I also applied custom fill colors for the map and its elements based on the severity levels. To learn more about integrating the Maps component into a React application, please check the Getting Started video linked in the card above and the description below. Let me run the application using the command npm start. Here, the React map renders based on the GeoJSON data, displaying COVID statistics for each country. Let's go through the steps to add and customize legends in the React Maps. First, I import the legend module and inject class from the j2 React Maps package, and inject legend module into the services. Then inside the Maps component tag, add the legend settings object and enable the visible property. See, a legend is displayed. By default, a legend will be positioned at the bottom of the map. If you want to change the legend position, utilize absolute positioning or dock positioning options. With absolute positioning, you can change the legend position based on coordinates using the location property, and the position value must be set to float. Alternatively, you can use dock positioning, where you change the position to the left, right, or top. I want to place the legend on the right side of the map. To achieve this, I set the position property to right. Now the legend is on the right. Next, to align the legend, I need to add the alignment property in the legend settings. This property accepts three options: center, far, and near. Now to align the legend to the far side, I set the alignment property to far. Look at the map, the legend is at the far side. Next, I am going to demonstrate how to change the shape of the legend icon. By default, the legend icon is circular. However, it also supports other shapes, such as rectangles, triangles, diamonds, crosses, etc. To modify the legend icon to a rectangle, I add the shape property and set its value to rectangle. To adjust the dimensions, I add additional properties such as shape height and shape width with custom values. I also change the position to top and the alignment to center for better clarity. You will notice that the legend icons are rectangular with custom height and width. If you want to show or hide a particular map region when clicking the legend, add the toggle legend settings property and set the enable property to true. Now you can show or hide the specific region by clicking its corresponding legend. Next, let's see how to customize the map region by clicking on a legend. I will customize the border width and color by adding the border property and setting the width to 2 and the color to red. Then I add the apply shape settings property and set its value to false to prevent applying the default fill color. When you click the legend for high severity level, you will notice that the corresponding shapes on the map are customized and the custom border width and color are displayed. See, the map displays information about all severity levels present in the data source. However, if you wish to skip or hide specific severity levels, use the show legend property within the color mapping property. Here, I am going to skip the moderate severity level, so I disable the show legend property. Now the legend only shows information on high and low severity levels. Next, I will demonstrate how to hide a severity level and customize color based on the data source value. To achieve this, I have already defined two fields in the data source, legend visibility and shape color. I assign the shape color to the color value path property and the legend visibility to the show legend path property. Since I have mapped color from the data source, I comment out the color mapping property. Upon checking the map, you will observe that legends are displayed based on the data source. Finally, let's look at the interactive legend mode. In the default mode, legends have a symbol and a label to identify the shape, bubble, or marker. To change the default mode to interactive mode, I set the mode property to interactive. Looking here, when I hover over the map region, the pointer will be displayed in the legend. In this video, I have shown you how to add legends to the React Maps component and how to change the legend mode, position, alignment, and shape. If you want to try out the example used in this video, you can download it from the GitHub link in the description below. I have also shared a link where you can learn about obtaining a free license key to use our React suite through our community license if you are eligible. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel.